This is the definitive guide to resolve ComfyUI black screen glitches and application crashes. After personally experiencing these frustrating issues and testing numerous solutions, I have identified effective methods to get your ComfyUI running smoothly again, and I'm ready to share them with you now. The core of the ComfyUI black screen glitch and crash problem often stems from corrupted installation files or outdated dependencies, which can prevent the application from properly rendering its interface. Method 1 addresses this by ensuring your ComfyUI installation is sound, updating its core components, and verifying a healthy Python environment, all while making sure your graphics card drivers are current and the application's cache is cleared, leading to a fresh start. When that doesn't fully resolve the problem, Method 2 suggests a complete reinstallation of ComfyUI and its associated virtual environment, diligently checking all dependencies and system drivers, and then launching the application with administrative privileges to overcome any permission barriers that might be causing the display to fail. Sometimes, a recent update can introduce instability, which is why Method 3 proposes rolling back to a previous stable version, adjusting application settings for better compatibility, scanning for any system conflicts, and testing with a reduced node setup to isolate the issue. Finally, Method 4 delves deeper into system-level fixes, including reinstalling Python, updating essential package managers, checking ComfyUI's configuration files for errors, ensuring ample disk space, and keeping your operating system up to date, ensuring a robust foundation for ComfyUI to operate without interruption. These systematic approaches target the underlying causes of the black screen and crashes, ensuring a stable and productive experience with ComfyUI.